Hello, welcome back to the Real World Garage. We're back today with 73 Super Beetle. And what did we decide to name the Super Beetle?
Sunflower.
Sunflower. Perfect girl's name for a car. So anyway, we are today going to begin to strip out the interior and get the carpet out of it so we can really get an extent of how bad the rusty floorboards are. Looking under it, you can already kind of tell it's going to be bad. And we also need to do something with the mouse pee, and yeah.
It's pretty nasty.
She equated it to an oven with mouse pee and poop baking for years in the sun, so she's probably right. But anyway, that's what we're going to do today. We thought we'd bring you along. I want to take an opportunity to thank all my viewers, everybody who's watched. Go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and keep coming back. We're going to try to keep this as an ongoing series. Don't know how long it's going to take us to get it back on the road, and what we're going to have to do to get it back on the road. But we're going to keep going forward with it until we can get it driving again. So again, thanks for coming along, and let's get into it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Mask and gloves. All right, go on in there and grab that seat.
The panel?
Yep. I hope you can hear us with the mask on. There we go. Got pretty lucky with the back seat. It was already just kind of sitting in there. So, get it out. Get it over here in the sunshine. Alright, we've been looking at how to get these seats out. What is that laying down there on the floor?
This?
Yep, what is that?
Spray enamel.
Spray enamel. And it's empty. We can get rid of that. Anyway, we've been looking at how to get these seats out, and most of the tracks are frozen, rusted, and the mechanism to release the pin is pretty rusty, pretty stiff. So let me get some lubricant put on it. Try to get it freed up and see if we can get this seat out. Go ahead and open that door over there, babe. Little PV blaster. Alright.
Sitting in the same position will do that to a car.
Move that seat a little bit, will you? Here's some things we need to look at, see if it's anything usable. That's the emergency brake boot. It's pretty well destroyed. Sun visor is broken off. We'll just have to look at this stuff, see if there's anything salvageable here.
I somehow doubt that there is anything.
Alright, yeah, I kind of doubt there's anything salvageable myself. We're also going to work on taking the door cards off. And yeah, pretty much anything that's rubber is rotten in this thing. Alright. There you go.
My hair isn't helping.
And lay the you see the pivot mechanism there in the center, that little handle right there behind the gear shifter.
Right there?
Yep, that's it. Try to get the spray all around it.
Ooh, that didn't.
No, not that. Not this. This. Alright, now go in the back and try to hit the tracks in the back.
Where are they?
Those metal slides, honey.
Right here?
Yeah, hold the can up straight.
No,
Back under this stupid hot mask.
No, what is this?
Maybe I can talk for fuses. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's music for it. We'll keep up with those.
Here, I put the you know what it too.
I'll take it down.
I think I should put these gloves.
We'll sort it later. Alright, get the format down there, going to peel it up.
Alright, let's see what's underneath this thing.
Could be just carpet.
Okay.
And that is part of one crank in here.
I really want that. Piece of carpet pretty loose.
Alright, get most of it out.
Like it's back, it's back.
That's fine, that much that can be sucked up.
Yeah.
Let's get the back like going. There you go, you get the business done. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
I'm getting this box first, the glove box.
Okay. vacuumed it out and got a good bit of the debris out. Now we're going to try to lift this front piece of carpet out. If you'll just grab it along this edge, just kind of lift straight up.
There's a panel underneath it.
Don't worry about that, just grab this.
Okay.
And we'll slip it over that shifter and just slide it out. Try not to make too much dust and lay it out there in the sun.
What is that?
What? What is what?
All those bugs.
Where? Are they live?
Yes, they're crawling around. Can you not see?
Oh, baby, those are just ants.
Oof. Are they carpenter ants or are they fire ants?
I don't know. They're trying to make a nest in here. They got to go. Vacuum cleaner. All right. Move vacuum cleaner.
Okay.
Get your gloves on. All right, reach over there and grab that toe board and try to pull it out at the bottom. All right, piece of carpet hooked to it. Well, maybe it's not hooked to it, but
Yeah.
all right, just take that toe board and go over there, lay all that stuff in a pile.
Did the carpet go in the lifting pile or are we just throwing that out?
Now, we're keeping the carpet. We may try to clean it and reuse it. It doesn't appear to be bad.
Except for the ants on the bottom of it, but
That'll be okay.
looks like they're just carpenter ants.
Let's peel that up.
There you go.
Let me get the sound deadener out of it.
My gloves are up there in my hands and stuff.
Now, grab your sound deadener and lift it up.
Where is this thing?
Yep. Try to keep it in one piece if you can. There you go. Ease it over there to the side. Whoop! Look at that.
What is that?
I don't know, but he's dead now. I'm gonna. Some of them millipedes bite, so we killed him. Alright, that's a control cable for something, not sure what yet. Probably these vents right here. Those heater vents. Guys, I hope the sound quality is not too bad with these silly masks on, but we gotta stay safe. And this mouse pee.
I wish they had smell-o-vision.
Yeah, it's not good. Well, those cables seem to sort of work. Let's we're gonna back up, regroup, and when you come back, hopefully we're taking a seat out. All right, well, we're gonna try to pull these seats out. The pretty much frozen, or pretty well seized up, so we're gonna tap on them with a big hammer. The other problem is the seat riser is pretty rusty, so oh, that's coming loose or not. My pin may have slid back in. I had it locked back, but let's see. I think it'll stay now. Alright, we'll try this. Try to knock back on these rear slides. Yeah, I get re-pinned on me again. Yeah, the whole riser's trying to come out. Alright, we got a screwdriver. We're going to try to pry this track. Man, she became again. Dang it. Yeah, stop it, no cuss. Yeah, came again. Okay, back up, regroup. Alright, part of our problem is my pin keeps sliding back in. I'm going to put some vice grips on it to keep it from popping back in every time I blink my eyes. That'll hold it. Just don't understand what's got it. Seat riser. I don't know if it's just frozen in it or what. Let's try to knock this one back a little bit. Let's free it up. Somebody out there laughing at me right now. Going, hey, you big dummy, all you gotta do is this.
You're probably gonna end up doing it in some way, way out of the way, and somebody's gonna comment out here on it.
And once I figure it out, I'm gonna go, hey, you big dummy, it was just really this easy.
Musty would be ashamed.
Yeah, I'll be sad and embarrassed, but that's okay. Okay. It almost fought me to a standstill. But I slid the seat all the way forward where I could see what was going on. There's a little tab under there I have to press down. It's an emergency, or not emergency, it's a safety catch to keep somebody from sliding the seat too far back, probably when they're driving around. So alright, let's see what happens if I can get it now. I've got it moving. As you can see, I got it way forward, so let's see if I can get it to come back and push the little safety down. I think the problem is the way the safety is designed. You have to push it forward a little bit, then press it down and then slide it over it. So yeah, a little safety tab, pretty stout little spring. And if I had the way the safety's made, if it was too far back, you can't push the button down, because I was prying on it thinking there was a button there. Come on, see? Alright, make sure I'm not too far back. Oh, no, come on, really?
Go. I feel like rusty metal is every single problem with this car.
A big portion of it, yep. Yep, it is. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm too far back. There we go. Oh, there we go. Victory!
Woo!
Get it to come back over the rear track.
It's out! And there's stuff falling off of it.
Alright, we're back. Don't know exactly where we left off. I think we were getting seats out, and as you can see, we've got all the seats out. And what do you got there in front of you, Lucy?
This is one of the floorboards.
And that would be, yes, that would be the passenger rear floorboard. That is gone.
Got my glove on to protect my hand, but it's just gone.
It's gone. The wiggle that seat riser so they can see what we were dealing with there. Yeah, see?
Yeah, no.
That's why the seat was so hard to come out. What else we got? What else have we got?
The headliner is pretty bad. It's gone now. But
it's gone now, but I pulled it down at one point and had a mouse nest just almost hit me in the face. So, but anyway, you can see we got it tore down, kind of make an evaluation of what we're going to have to buy, what we're going to have to do, and so it's going to be some welding involved, and we yet still have some more tear down to do, but we got an idea, pretty good idea about the floors. Kind of already knew that, but we really wanted to get the mouse stuff cleaned out of here. So Y'all just hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, another thing I wanted to talk to you about, we've evaluated all the rust and shown some of that, is I wanted to show you the pedal assembly. So go over here and we will look. These were frozen when the car first came here. I soaked everything down, all the pivots, with a PB Blaster, and we let them sit for about 2 weeks. And everything is starting to free up. I have to buy a cable lubricator, and so I can lubricate the cables. The clutch pedal feels like it is actually actuating the clutch, and I do know that the brake master cylinder is messed up. I was following the brake line across the floor here, and I found where we're going to have to either replace the brake line or make a repair on the brake line. So we've still got several things that we need to do to the car. As far as the gas tank, we're going to either have to have the gas tank removed and either replace it, or we're going to have to carry it and see if it can be repaired. Radiator shop usually can do that. So just hang on just a second, we'll be right back.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And if you'd like to know more about this video series, watch a video coming on the screen right now.